Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings in the 2018 Creator Blog Hop. I am going to be showing you in this blog hop, I'm going to be showing you it's the occasion catalog, so I'm going to be showing you the Lovely Wishes set today. I just love that set. Now I've done 2 cards already on it. I've done, I've done the little note card and also the narrow note card one. And today this time I want to show you the big Wishing You a Lovely Day full-size card. Let me get that into focus right there. There, how do you like that? Okay, so let's bring this down. So what am I going to need? You can use Lovely as Wishes. For ink, I'm using Berry Burst Memento, and I'm going to be using my Stampin Blends, okay? For cardstock, I'm using a piece of Marina Mist 8.5 by 5.5, and a piece of Whisper White 3 3/4 by 4, 3 3/4. Take that as a 1/2 inch off by 5. Okay, duh. Had to think about that. Let's bring this up just a little bit. Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm going to take, also then I need a piece of, I'm using the Sweet Surrey Specialty Designer Series paper, and that's 5 1/4 by 4 inches. And I'm using some glue dots, and I am using a piece of the Daffodil Delight double stitched ribbon, and that's about it. So let's get started. I'm going to be stamping some of the flowers, the line drawings from the Lovely Wishes. And the other ones I showed you how to stamp these with the Stamparatus, but I want to show you how the blenders work with these too. And then Berry Burst. There. Now I'm going to take my Stampin Blends, and I'm going to use the Old Olive for the greenery. I just love the Stampin Blends. Now you can get them in single ones or duos with both the light and the dark coloring. Just remember when you do use them to keep the tops, make sure the tops are on really. Hear the click? Or else they dry out very fast. What you do is you put the light, well, what I do is I put the light one on and then put a little bit of dark one on and blend those in. So it's, need my color remover. I like using the small end. It's especially for these little things. Okay, so I've got all those colored. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, instead of this side, I like the X's. So what I'm going to do is tie a bow, and I am going to use the bunny ears. So you put 2 bunny ears and then you just tie a knot. Fast, quick, easy, just like that. And I want it smaller. Then I'm just going to cut that off, and take a couple glue dots and glue it right there. I always like to use 2 glue dots, don't you? So that it doesn't move around. There. Now I'm taking my Marina mist. I really hope you guys are enjoying the blog hop. There's other bloggers, and you can find their names at the bottom of the blog, my blog. And please visit them. And if you need any of this stuff, please just click on the pictures below the thing, and they'll be there. You can, and if you need anything, just let me know. I'm happy to help you. I'm in the U.S., so I know this is an international blog hop. We have at least one from Germany. So there you have it. So thanks for visiting, and blog away. Bye-bye.